Do you want to get more views from the USA? Now, in this video, I reveal a secret YouTube algorithm hack that can boost your reach and help your videos rank higher in the US market. Oh yes, it is possible, and it has been possible for me over here on my channel, and hey, it's going to be possible for you. You know what? I've been able to try this secret YouTube algorithm hack, this strategy, and it has helped me to get my videos getting a lot of views and a lot of traffic from the USA. Now let's check what's on the screen right now. As you can see clearly, this particular video is actually having 36.9% of views coming all the way from the United States of America. And so you know what, I am going to help you to discover how to optimize your content for American audiences, trigger the YouTube algorithm, and increase impressions, your watch time, and recommendations. And so if you're struggling with low USA traffic, this is the fix that you need. Now let me show you something. Let me show you something before you continue. Let me use these few seconds to let you know the proof on my videos. Okay, so let's take this video. We are checking about a couple of videos, and let's take this video and see that the top geography, it's currently USA. Yes, let me check this video quickly for you. We get to the audience, and straight away, let's see over here. You could see that yes, USA is topping 36.9%. Right, great. So it is the same trick, the same hack that I used to get this over here. Now let's check the other video too. Let's check the other video, and we're going to see that USA is still topping on that particular video as well. Let's check this first video. So almost all the videos over here on my channel are having USA topping as their top geography. Let's check the audience quickly, and then let's scroll down. You could see that yes, this one too is United States 19.4, United States 19.4. Great. Now let's take another video as well. Let's check another video. I want to check about 3 videos, and it's going to blow your mind to see that hey, we're not joking over here, and all that we've been teaching you is tried and tested things, something I've been trying always, and it's working for me over here on this my YouTube platform. So let's check the particular video and see. We get to the audience over here, and we scroll down. Let's scroll down to see that yes, USA is also topping over here, 15.3. Also always USA is topping. Always all my videos over here, USA is topping over here in a very nice and a magnificent way. So that is exactly what I've been able to get over here. And so if I want to show you the rest of the videos, it's going to take a lot of time over here. So now in this video, I'm going to straight away get into how I was able to get traffic, a lot of traffic, more views from United States of America. Actually, this one is the part 2 for how to get views from the United States of America. I've already made a part 1, and so if you've not watched the part 1, you can get the link in the description of this particular video to watch it. Oh yes, and so in this part 2, I am going to actually send you straight away once again to the YouTube studio, and there's this one more thing to do together with the first one I showed you in the part 1, so that together you're going to get more traffic and more views from the United States of America. Don't forget, I've showed you in the first part that there is a number of reasons, important reasons, that you should do all that you can to get a lot of traffic from the United States of America. And the first and the major one is that it's going to help you increase your revenue. You know what? I'll talk about that one in this video, but hey, before that, let's get straight to the YouTube studio and let me blow your mind. Let me show you that secret YouTube algorithm hack, the secret strategy, the secret setting to make in a YouTube studio whenever you're uploading a video, so that that particular video can get more recommendations in the United States of America, so that you get more views and more traffic from the USA. Quickly, let's get straight to the YouTube studio. But hey, if you've not subscribed yet, do well to click on the subscribe button now. The family is getting bigger and bigger and better. Actually, I take time to take you through how to grow your YouTube channel from scratch till it becomes the biggest channel that you've been dreaming of. And so do well to click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell and be part of us so that you can always and continuously be receiving powerful tips and hacks like this to grow your YouTube channel. Let's get straight away to the YouTube studio and let me show you the setting to make so that you will get more views and more traffic from the USA. Good. So in the YouTube studio, and now let me use this particular video as the case study. All right, so this is the video I am using as the case study, and the video title, let's check it over here. This is the particular video I'm using. No watch hours, no subscribers, turn this off. And now this video is having 37 plus percentage of YouTube views coming from United States of America. As you can see clearly, 37.1 percentage of views. So almost all the videos on my channel over here, I'm getting traffic and more views from the United States of America. USA is topping my top geography. As you can see, USA is topping almost all the views. All right, so now, as said earlier, this is the second part in the video, the episodic video on how to get more views from the United States of America. Now let's get to the editing space and let me show you one more thing. But please, if you've not watched the first part, right after watching this particular video, the second part, make sure you watch the first part, and it's going to help you a lot. Okay, so there's one more thing to do in this second part that I'm showing you in addition to what I showed in the first part, and it's going to help you a lot. Now that is the video location. That is the video location actually has a major part to play. Now when you watch my videos, okay, mostly when I use screen recording and then I show you some of the things in my YouTube studio, you could see that those who are very fast, you could see that my video location are mostly set to United States, and there's a reason to that, and that's what I'm going to take time to let you know and understand very well in this particular video. And hey, that is the next thing to do in addition to what I showed you in the first part, okay, so that together you can get more views and more traffic from the United States of America. Now, when you set your video location to United States of America, you are throwing a signal to the algorithm that you want your videos to be recommended in that particular country. You understand? So that is it. That's the only trick. That is the secret YouTube algorithm hack that I am revealing to you. So in addition to what I revealed to you in the first part, this one is one thing you should also and always do if you want to get more traffic from the USA. Now I'm going to show you something on the screen right now, and I'm going to let you understand something right now, a research I made into that, and it's going to blow your mind over here. Now this is the research I made into that, and this is the result I had. And as you can see clearly on your screen, right, very good on your screen right now. Now you see, when you set your YouTube video location to specific country such as the USA, it helps with, now we're going to talk about 4 importance of setting your video location to the United States of America. All right, so we're going to take them one after the other. All right, so quickly let us start taking them one after the other. The first one is that your targeted recommendations. Now, YouTube uses location data to recommend your video to users in that country, especially those interested in content relevant to them. If you target the USA, your video may show up in the feeds of viewers in the USA, increasing the chance of more views from that region. That's unbelievable. That's so powerful. You know what? Maybe you always see that, but I don't know the use of that, and that has actually been helping me over here on this my channel to get all my videos, almost all my videos, having USA topping the top geography. And even the main channel over here, my main channel, the top geography is United States of America. All right, so what it means is that whenever you set your location to the USA, you want to target audience over there. You want YouTube to recommend your videos to the people in the United States of America, because you are telling the YouTube algorithm that your video resonates with the people in the United States of America. That is one important thing that you should do. Always, whenever you're making your video and you want that particular video to get more traffic from the United States of America. That is something that's going to help you a lot. All right, it says that your videos may show up in the feeds of viewers in the USA. So you may be in your country, Kenya, you may be in China, you may be in Vietnam, you may be in Ghana, Nigeria, wherever, but people will be watching your videos in the United States of America, all because you have optimized that your video by setting the location, the video location, to USA. All right, so that is it. Now let's get to the second the second point. It says that localization. Now, setting the location helps YouTube understand the context of your video, ensuring it is served to the right audience in that region. This is helpful for local trends, cultural relevance, and language preferences. Don't forget that it says that it helps YouTube understand the context of your video and ensuring it is served to the right audience in that region. So whatever region, whatever country you select at the video location, that is where YouTube is mostly going to recommend your videos to. That is the second point. Let's check the third point. Ad targeting. YouTube ads are often targeted based on geography. Now, if your video is set to a specific location, ads may be more relevant to that region. For example, setting your location to the USA could increase your earnings through higher paying ads from US-based advertisers. I told you even from the onset of the video that I will let you know and explain to you, when you get more views from the United States of America, it's going to increase your YouTube revenue, it's going to increase your earnings. Oh yes, that is exactly what it's going to do for you over here on YouTube. And that's exactly what this research is saying. Now, let me pause here and let me show you one thing quickly before we proceed to the fourth one. Now, what I'm going to show you over here is the revenue I got from African countries and that of the United States of America. Now, great. That's exactly what you see on the screen now. Over here on the screenshot, you could see that Nigeria, I had 20,104 views, but it got me only $3.73 US. That is when you check the red arrow. Okay. Now, let's check the first country, the green arrow, that is United States of America. I had 62,030 views, but that views has been able to get me 182 US, only 62,000. But don't forget that Nigeria, I got 20,000. So assuming I had gotten this 62,000 from Nigeria, it would have gotten me somewhere around $10, $11 thereabout. You can imagine. That is getting views from Africa. You see the consequences. But if you're able to get views and more traffic from the United States of America, it is going to increase your revenue with just within a twinkle of an eye, as you can clearly see on your screen. You understand? So 62,000 getting me 182. Meanwhile, Nigeria 20,000 getting me $3. So let's say another 20,000 would have gotten me, let's approximate it to $4. So 20,000 from Nigeria is $4. Another 20,000 views, another $4, making $8. Another 20,000 views, another $4, making that would be $12. You understand? Let's add another 20,000 views. That would have been $16. Okay, that would be, I think, 80,000. So 80,000 views from Nigeria could have gotten me somewhere around $16. Meanwhile, only 62,000 views from United States of America is getting me $180 US. So the question is, why don't you work so hard? Why don't you practice these tips? Why don't you practice these hacks and these secret algorithm hack I'm revealing to you, so that they can also get more views from the United States of America, more traffic from the United States of America, so that you can increase your revenue? If only you are taking YouTube so seriously as a business, then do well to practice all these. Great. So now that I've been able to let you know the importance based on the revenue, let's get straight away back and check the fourth point. That is when you set your video location to the United States of America. The first point says that search rankings, that is The location can also influence how your video ranks for users in that country. For example, if you are targeting an audience in the USA, your video might have a better chance of ranking for searches done by users in that country. So it's as simple as that. That is it. And I'm sure right now you've actually gotten it. So if you want to get more traffic and more views from the United States of America, if you want to get more views, or if you are targeting an audience in the USA, do well to set your video location to United States of America, as you can see clearly over here on my screen. That is exactly what I do over here, and these have actually helped me a lot. If you are watching the part 2, that is this particular video, and if you've not watched the part 1 yet, please do well to watch the part 1, because I revealed a lot and they go together. Practice what is in the part 1, add this what is in the part 2 to it, and it's gonna blow your mind. Within few days, a couple of days, you begin to see massive changes on your YouTube channel, and hey, you're gonna get a lot of views and a lot of traffic on your YouTube videos from the United States of America. There is another mind-blowing one I'm going to talk about in another video, because I don't want the length or the duration of the video to be that lengthy. And so the next part, that's going to be the part 3. Do well to make sure to watch that particular one too, and you should add all these ones. I'm taking time to work on these ones because they are very, very tried and tested approaches and strategies that I'm revealing to you. Some of these tricks and hacks, you may not get them anywhere on YouTube. Oh yes. And so I am taking time to let you understand it very well. I have tried them, they have helped me. As you can see, I've shown you proved. And so do well to actually watch the part 3 as well. If you have not subscribed, please right now click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification, so that when the part 3 is uploaded, you can get that one and watch. And you know what, that part 3 has to do with something so strategic. In the description, I'm going to show you something so strategic that you must do in addition to the part 1 and part 2, this particular video location, and that of the part 3. We're going to do something in the video description, and it's going to blow your mind. So do well to stay connected always on this my YouTube channel, so that you get mind-blowing ones to actually grow your YouTube channel. So thank you very much for your time. And hey, as said earlier, if you've not click on the subscribe button, do so right now. Yes, do well to click on the subscribe button right now. Be part of this family. You know, I take time to give you all the tricks and all the hacks. I don't hide anything. As you know, over here on my channel, I'm being honest with you. And so do well. The only thing that's so important and dear to my heart is that please do well to practice them, and practice them so well systematically. If you face any challenge, don't worry. As usual, just let me know at the comment section. Put it over here at the comment section, and I will attend to you all the times, 24/7. Oh yeah, so do well to click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so that the part 3, hey, is gonna blow your mind. And hey, if you've not watched the part 1, I'm gonna drop it over here. This particular video over here is the part 1 of this video on how to get more views from the United States of America. Make sure you watch the part 1, and when the part 3 is ready, as told you earlier, make sure you click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so that you get the update on your YouTube channel. Thank you very much, and don't forget to watch this video. It's very, very important to me. And hey, please do well to share this video so it bless other people as well.